Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on how to look at widgets and apps on Fires app. Log in to the Fires account. Click on the apps icon in the footer menu. It will redirect you to the apps dashboard where you can see support, notice board, my account and trading view widget tab. Now, let us understand what each of these tabs are. Support tab. All your queries are answered in this section. From account opening to managing your account, you will get answer to all your questions. Notice board. All important announcements regarding our policies, procedures, new offers and so on are listed in the notice board section. My account. Under the My Account tab, you can access your financial and branch information. Trading View widget. Here, you can access the economic calendar, fundamental and technical widgets, and forex rate. Let's dive deeper into this section. Once you click on the Trading View widget, a drop-down will appear, showing 4 options, namely Fundamentals, Technicals, Forex and Economic Calendar. Fundamentals. Fundamental widget talks about valuation, balance sheet, operating metrics, margins, income statement and company profile. Technical. The Technical Analysis widget is an advanced tool that displays ratings based on technical indicators. Our beautifully designed gauge lets you see the summary based on all indicators at a glance. You no longer have to apply multiple indicators to analyze a financial instrument since our widget does that for you. On top of that, all ratings are shown real-time. Forex. Forex Cross Rates widget allow you to display real-time codes of the selected currency in comparison to the other major currencies at a glance. Select relevant currencies and generate your rates table in just a few clicks. To see all the currencies, toggle from right to left and vice versa. Besides, we also provide a Forex heat map widget that gives a quick overview of action in the currency market. It helps you spot strong and weak currency in real time and how strong they are in relation to one another. This trading tool can help choose trading strategies, find opportunities, and trade with confidence. Economic Calendar. It shows upcoming economic events, announcements and news. To see the economic data of a particular country, click on the globe symbol and a list of countries will pop up. You can select the countries of your preference and click on the globe symbol again. You will be able to view the economic data of all the countries you choose. In addition, if you click on the event, you can access the details of that particular event. We hope this video is useful and helps you understand how to look at widgets and apps. Thanks for watching.